What's going on, everybody? Yes, this is your boy Camera Guy Cliff coming at you for number 2 video of the day. Okay, I'm on the roll. I'm gonna go ahead and throw something out there. I got a little pop socket for Brat Vlogs. You know, you got a little contest going on for a book bag and GoPro and Xbox or PlayStation 4, whatever you choose, and something else, just for $12.99 to enter. That's what that is about. But about these chips, oh yeah, check them out at bratvlogs.com. About these chips, Venters. I love my Venters, but
Vitners.
huh?
Vitners.
Ventners.
Vitners.
Vitners. I love my Vitners.
Vitners.
I love these chips. The regular kind for sure. I'm not sure about the lime, but we're gonna give them a try. Sure, they got the lime. They be having them hot chip ones. And those pretty good. So we're gonna see how these taste. Tastes like the regular kind. Let's take another bite. I don't taste the difference. You want to taste them? I don't taste the lime. I mean, it might be a little less hotter, but I don't taste lime. You? You taste lime? I just said there that it's soaked in my mouth. Didn't do the other S word. I let it soak in my mouth. I taste the lime a little bit where I did that, but it tastes the same. Oh. She'll be like, come on, give me the more. You guys, they're good. Try them. I'm quite sure you would like them unless you're allergic to lime. Do not try them if you are allergic to lime. Repeat, don't try them if you're allergic to lime. But till next time, you guys be safe. Enjoy your night. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below.